Welcome back to this bullshit of a game. And I have the right to call bullshit because they keep killing me for no freaking reason at all. Yeah. Just gonna say this is zombies. Multiplayer zombies. I love being part of the team that get a fuck up their day. Well, fuck, that just fucked up my day. Fuck, why is there so many more zombies? Fuck, does it sound like someone got a taser? Need something more. Oh fuck no. No. What? Oh, it's like this, isn't it? It's like this bullshit, isn't it? Attack! Fuck! Fuck, there's a lot of... What? You won't beat my mighty touch. Me itchy. It won't be like a normal zombie. Go after one guy. Go get him. Oh man, he was smart. Kill him. Kill him with fire. Someone hiding in here. Kill him! Did we get him? Yes. Now what are we waiting for? I've died 3 times. Am I a zombie? Oh no, I'm not. This game is actually fucking difficult. I hear that this fucking shit. Oh fuck, gonna kick my ass. Is this our base over here? Nope, it is not. I'm not coming without me first try. Fuck, that was too strong. No, you piece of shit! You want me? I won't be in here. Look for sneak attack. I'm waiting. Fuck, this round went fucking flying. Go kill that one motherfucking dude. Horde! There's a bunch of whores! Did you get him? Hey, wait. Get the fuck back, you piece of shit. Fucking run. Fuck back, you. You're not surviving. Turn him off. Fuck. Turn him off again. Did we get him? Is everyone still chasing him? Give me my guns. Am I an actual zombie? No. That big. Who be the zombie? Only 2 people started a zombie. Get the fuck out of here. No, fuck that. I'm not standing there. Well, never mind. Oh fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, oh run like a little pussy. You pieces of shit! Killed one motherfucker without dying. Aha, bitch! First person I ever turned zombie. How many people? Don't we? What the fuck? Did some nigga just shoot me? Kill the bitch. Kill the fucking bitch. Kill him with fire. Oh. I know I'm gonna have a gun. I better have a gun. I think the fucking best choice would be a fucking shotgun. Okay, who is it? Who the fuck is it? And where is it? Oh shit. Big one, save me, motherfucker. I'm not going back. Stop, dope. Did you save me, you pieces of shit? Yes. You did good. So if you die, don't have to worry. Just... No! Fuck you! Kill the fucking spawn. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I got more. Fuck this game over, man. I'm going for like 9 minutes and most of it's just me running around as a fucking zombie. Can I touch you? Please? Let me touch you. Let me touch you, bitch. Fucking touch his mom. Fucking have your mom's digits. I'll buy your mom's fucking phone number for $1 tomorrow. Buy your mom's digits tomorrow. Get back here! Saying you can't shoot me, bitch. Come on down. fuck it. Oh, fuck no. Bullshit. I'll win my fist up your ass, bitch. I bet you didn't think I was gonna come back. I'll make you a fucking zombie. Like I fucked your mama. I'll be back. Just trust me, I'll be back. Get back here, baby. Bitch. Fuck, that was supposed to be my cue. Corner the bitch. He should be my kill, I call it. He should be mine. I was trying to kill him before. Get back, you piece of shit. Oh yeah, did I get him? I think I got him. I think I got him. Sticking my gun already. Fuck. Fuck no. Tell me what we thought actually let you get close to him. No. He's right behind me, ain't he? Where the fuck is he? This Skelly. Just don't kill me, please. Give me $5 if we just kill someone else. Fuck. I don't want to be out in the open. Fuck you. Fuck you guys come from? Oh fuck no. Fuck no, I'm not letting you touch me. I don't want you to touch my ass. They're trying to wake me. Self-defense. I call self-the-fucking-fence. You trying to wake me? Oh fuck no. Not gonna fucking wake me, you bitch. Fucking pedophiles. Oh shit. Nigga just got wasted. Fuck no, bitch. Fuck. I'm gonna stay right here. Am I on? I'm gonna stay right here. Fuck you, fucking duck. Yeah. Fuck. Fuck do I get up there, you asshole? Protect me. My mama always told me not to put my trust. You pieces of fucking shit! So I guess maybe I should do a challenge one day that Surprise! Where's my McDonald's? Zombie will be. Oh, fuck your sister. I see the bitch up there. Go! Swarm the bitch. Swarm the bitch. Show them no mercy. They will not show you mercy. So don't show those fucking assholes mercy. Strategy! Bitch! Fuck guys, I know what I'm gonna do. I'll hate you, baby.